Okay, so when I heard that the Galaxy S8 is coming out, I can't stand it, but try to get myself one. So today the mailman just delivered about, I don't know, about 10 minutes ago, and I'm gonna do an unboxing of the Galaxy S8 Plus. Okay, so I just got this about like maybe 10 minutes ago, and I'm gonna do the unboxing version today, and then maybe do the whole phone later, but just unboxing today. Oh wow! Here's my S7 Edge Plus here, and this is the unboxing of the 8S Plus. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. One is for me and one is for my wife. Okay, so let me get all the address and stuff out first. I just signed off these of FedEx about a couple minutes ago. So let me get all this personal information out. And this is the S8 Plus. As you can see, there's one, and then there's two, and this is my old S7 Edge Plus. So let me open one of these up. Okay, let me open this one first here, and then let's see. Oh, how do you even open these up? Oh, here. So just open it up like that, and here's the 8S Plus. You can see a little bit narrower, but a little bit longer, and you can see the sizes here. I'll lay that right there. This is the I think this is the silver one. Okay, so got the box here. Let's see what they got inside here with the what's inside here. Here's all the how to use your phone information and stuff. Put that right here, and let's put that over there, and then you have charger. So I guess this must be the black one because it has the black charger. It's got the charger there, all your adapters, micro SD connectors, yep. And a USB connector here too, different. Okay. And then you got the cables here, charging cable that goes with that, and you got your headphone. Here, okay. So put the box. I'm gonna put the box over here, and then let's see. Wow, this is a big phone. But you know what? What I like about this is that of the 6.2-inch screen here versus the 5.5. Yeah. Yeah. So this is the black. This is the black version. And over here, I'm gonna put some of these away. And then over here, you got the S8 Plus. Okay, let's see. So here, I think you got the black one belongs to the wife. And this must be the, nope, this is the black one. Made a mistake. This is the silver. And this is the black one. Okay, so you got two versions here. I'm gonna move all this over. Silver and black. Compare that to the old 7S Edge there. And let's see, they have different, let's see. Oh no, everything's the same, black chargers and everything. You know, I really like the black charger over the white one. Somehow, you know, it doesn't get dirty as much. And then, yeah, I'll just put all this stuff back because they're pretty much the same thing here. And let me see. Let me take this off, all the stuff off of here. And since this silver one is mine, I'm gonna power it on. Ooh, nice and bright. This one belongs to the wife, so I'm not going to be touching that and put my fingerprints all over it. But yeah, the silver one is mine, so okay. As you can see, everything is getting activated in a little while, and pretty much all the unboxing ends right about now. I hope you guys enjoy it. I mean, today's the first day. I think first day or second day that they ship it out. You know, for pre-ordering. So I'm gonna take my phone to Verizon and get it activated. So you know, if you guys like this review, you know, come back for more. I'm gonna do a review on the phone later. So this is just the unboxing part. Okay, so. Hope you guys enjoy it.